Jai Hind everyone guys. Today I am going to discuss the GS paper of CDS 2024. The first question is, who among the following filed the writ petition that led to the famous verdict of the Supreme Court of India recognizing the right to privacy as a fundamental right? The correct answer is option C, Justice K.S. Puttaswamy. Second question, through the 42nd Amendment to the Constitution of India, which of the following words were inserted into its preamble? The correct answer is option B, only two. The expression unity of the nation was substituted by unity and integrity of nation. By 42nd Amendment, SSR, socialist, secular and integrity was inserted. Next question. As per the state list under the 7th schedule of the Constitution of India, the states have jurisdiction over agricultural land in connection with which of the following subjects? Taxes on agricultural income, duties in respect of succession of agricultural land, state duty in respect of agricultural land. The correct answer is option D, 1, 2 and 3 all. Next question is, the 7th edition of the Indian Ocean Conference was held at? The correct answer is Perth, which is in Australia. Next question is, match list 1 with list 2. The correct answer is option B. Like, it is a Swaraj when we learn to rule ourselves. The option B will be matched with option 4, because Swaraj was term used by Mahatma Gandhi. A. Human beings, unlike all other objectives, possess dignity. The correct answer for this will be Aung San Suu Kyi. Option number 1. So correct answer is option B. Next question. Who among the following is the author of the book 4 Stars of Destiny, an autobiography? The correct answer is Manoj Mukund Narvane. Next question. The Indian Army launched Operation Sarv Shakti to flush out terrorists in. The correct answer is option C, Jammu and Kashmir. Next question. Which of the following cities were conferred with the Cleanest City Award under Swachh Sarvekshan Award 2023? The correct answer is option B, Indore and Surat. Next question. Which one of the following is an indigenous assault rifle developed by DRDO? The correct answer is option D, Ugram. With which one among the following sports is Yogesh Singh, who won a gold medal in an Asian Championship in 2024 associated? The correct answer is option B, shooting. Next question is, renowned classical singer Prabha Atre, who passed away recently, was an exponent of which one of the following gharana? The correct answer is option A, Kirana Gharana. Next question. Who among the following was the first Indian Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Army of Independent India? The correct answer is option B, K.M. Karyappa. Next question. Which one of the following is an end-to-end secure mobile ecosystem developed recently by Indian Army? The correct answer is option D, Sambhav. Next question. Consider the following statement about the RCEP. The correct answer is option C, both 1 and 2. Next question. Recently, the government of India entered into an agreement for a lithium exploration and mining project with which one among the following countries? The correct answer is option C, Argentina. Next question. Consider the following statement about the SCO. The correct answer is option C, both 1 and 2. One of the goals of SCO is to promote a new democratic, fair and rational international political and economic order. Option 2. Iran is a permanent member of SCO. The correct answer is option C, both 1 and 2. Next question is, which one of the following statements about the ICC Under-19 Men's Cricket World Cup 2024 is are correct? Option 1. Australia won this title for 4 times. It was organized in South Africa. Both the options are correct. Answer will be C. Next question. Which one of the following statements with regard to Bharat Ratna Award is are correct? It was instituted in year 1972. This is wrong statement. Option 2. The award doesn't carry any monetary grant. Correct. The correct answer will be option B, 2 only. Next question. Which one of the following statements about India rank in Global Innovation Index 2023 published by the World Intellectual Property Organization is are correct? India has been placed at 40th rank. Correct. India has been on a rising trajectory over the period 2015 to 2023. The correct answer is option C. Next question. Which of the following statement about Green Credit Initiative is are correct? The correct answer is option 1 and 2. Third statement is wrong. It is a scheme of Government of India to replace the kerosene oil with solar power used by the rural people. Poor. Sorry. The third statement is wrong. So correct answer is option B. Next question. Consider the following statement about the Jorwe culture of Deccan. The correct answer is option B 1 and 2. The larger site of cultural yield evidence of shifting agriculture. No, that was a permanent agriculture. This question was from Upender Singh book. Consider the following statement about Madurai, the capital city of Pandya Kingdom. The correct answer is option D 1, 2 and 3. All of the three statements are correct. Next question. Consider the following statement about Savai Jai Singh astronomical work. The correct answer is A 1 only, because in statement 2 his astronomers also developed a telescope of their own. This is a wrong statement because they used the European telescope. This question is from a book of Medieval India of Irfan Habib. Next question. Man Kautuhal, a work on music, was prepared under the aegis of. The correct answer is option A Raja Man Singh of Gwalior. This question is from Tamil Nadu NCERT book. Consider the following statement regarding the Sugamya Bharat Abhiyan. Correct answer is option A 1, 2 and 3. All of the statement my mistake. The correct answer is option B 1 and 2 only, because it doesn't have provision of pension. So option statement third is wrong. Next question. Which one among the following was not a part of the action program of the non-cooperation movement? The correct answer is option C, taking control of law and order of machinery of state by the Congress Working Committee. Next question. Consider the following statement about the Mauryan state and the forest people. This question is from Upender Singh book. The correct answer is option C 3, because this statement is wrong. Statement number 2. The state recognized that the forest produce was the sole monopoly of the forest people. No, it was monopoly of a state. Next question. At which of the following places was diamond mining carried out during Delhi Sultanate period? The correct answer is option C Panna, MP, Madhya Pradesh. Which one of the following statement true for James Webb Telescope? The correct answer is option A. It orbits the sun. Which one of the following particles are subatomic particles? I have a dot in this question because electron, proton, neutron is given in NCERT class 9th book and 11th book. But muon is also a subatomic particle. So let's see what UPSC gives in answer. Qubit refers to a two-valued quantity used in the correct answer of quantum computer. Photo 51 refers to an image of a crater of the moon. No, correct answer is DNA